Hey there everyone, an old friend here again. So in this video we're going to talk about game or website called Limercoin. So this website is similar to Rollercoin that we talk about in first video. I will provide link of that video in description. So that game is like 7 years old and still providing withdrawal, and you can earn for free there also. So for now we are going to talking about Limercoin. For now I am just giving you introduction about this website. So first I will provide you a link in description. Go ahead and click on that link and open the website. So after click on that link in description, you can have this website open. Scroll on a little bit here. So here you can see start mining, and here you can see some pictures here in which miners are rack on the racks. So scroll down more. Here you can buy miners. Again scroll, and here you can see you can play games here. But one thing here, this power is temporary power. So the power you are going to get by playing games is only temporary for one day. It means that if you played like a game like at 12 p.m. and in the next day at 12 p.m. your power that you gain at 12 p.m. yesterday is gonna be disappear. So keep in mind it. So scroll down a little bit here, so you can manage your power here. Manage power means you can have like 4 to 5 coins there. You can manage your power, like your power is at 100%, you can manage 25%. I'm going to mine BTC, 25% I'm going to mine LTC, so on and so forth. Scroll down a little bit here, and here you can see a referral program, and that's it for their homepage or dashboard. So now we are going for sign up. So click on the link from the description and you open the sign up page. So at sign up page you can have email and password, and you need to click on these bookmarks and then click on I am a human and sign up. You will get the email. You get the email about code, temporary code. Provide that code and you are good to go. So I forgot to mention their trust on Trustpilot, so you can check their score on the Trustpilot. This website is about 2.5 years or 2 years old. I don't remember this exact date or year, so at least 2 years old, and here only 18 reviews for now. So you can read these reviews, mostly in like positive reviews. Some are not that good, so both type of reviews are always there for any project. So after signing, here you can see the layout of the page, and here you can see my miners are mining here, and here is my power 2.139 THS, which is bare minimum or even low, because I'm not that active in this website. But for now I think I'm gonna be active, because they are going to provide battle pass or any interesting update in this month or next, which I think boosts the activity of free to play user and many ways to earn or buy the miners. So I'm waiting for battle pass update. So here you can see daily quest. Here click on more tasks. Here you can see daily login. You need to play some games here, and click on to do, and here are the same games like RC but with good visuals. So you can play here. I try to play one here, so click on play, and here you can see the page. Click on start. I try to fast forward the video here. So click on get power, so you can get power through this processing. So wait, and here you can see I got 200 GHS in power. So that's it for the free to play. For now this website is updating slowly, and for F2P user there are not much opportunities here, but still if you have a free time you can grind their tournament, which is daily tournament and weekly tournament, and rank the top, and you're gonna get these rewards. Here you can see 10 Limer token, also to be a LMT. So one LMT is equal to $1 worth of money. So keep in mind that I try to active here, like just come over here and complete these tasks and get LMG token from LMG store. Here click on this and you will get the LMG store, and here you can see different miners you can buy from it. So for now, that's all for the video. This is the intro video. So I try to update, or I try to give a detailed video soon after this video, or in a week. So that's all for the video. Stay safe and happy.